Okay. Okay. So today we are just start with this topic. This is EFS. Do you hear about EFS?
A while ago, maybe.
Sorry.
Mm,
No.
Maybe a
Okay.
while ago.
No. This is a. I this is a new. But right now we just this is the basically this is the project. This is just little bit advanced. Okay, so EFS is a scalable, fully managed. The scenario is right now. I just first you just understand the scenario. Scenario is or two EC2 instance. Okay, the company requirement. Company says just upload our website on one storage. Just take one storage. Just use one storage of the Linux EFS. Just use one. If Linux support only the EFS support only the Linux. EFS file system you can't use on the Windows. Okay, this is the just limit in the EFS. Okay, so EFS only support on the Linux, not any other operating system. So customer says just use EFS, but you need to just use two EC2 instance. One EC2 instance from just create EC2 instance. Create one EC2 instance. Create EC2 instance in AZ availability zone 1A and create EC2 instance, second EC2 instance in availability zone 1B. And for example, this IP address 1.0.0.2, then this IP must be changed 2.0.2.0.2. Just this is the for example. Okay, not exact IP, but this is just for example. IP address and subnet should be different and different availability zone, but share both same EFS file system. Use same EFS file system and mount your website directory with EFS. Okay, we initially we just mount this directory with var www HTML. We will mount the EFS on this directory. This is the task. So same website we can open with this website, this IP address, and also we can access this IP address. If this EC2 instance will crash, if this EC2 instance will terminate, your website will remain active and up through another EC2 instance. I hope you understand this scenario.
Okay.
So
it's like a storage system, shared storage system.
Yes, actually our website is basically running through this ESF, but EFS always behind the firewall, behind the EC2 instance. If your EC2 instance will terminate, then still your EC2 instance your website will work. For example, your website always on. Okay, this is the basically scenario. This is the customer requirement. Okay, so now we are just going to create scenario. First of all, you need to create security group.
So basically, kind of the server is EFS that we launch the website from.
No. Just normal EC2 instance, and then we will create EFS. EFS is a storage. Okay, we will run the website through EFS.
Yeah,
Not
that's what I
through
mean.
the, this is the basic. And also there is a high availability. If your EC1 EC2 instance will crash, will terminate, then your
Yeah,
website will remain on through the another EC2 instance.
yeah,
EC2 instance operating system always on the risk, always on the edge.
yeah.
Okay, this is the, so here we need two security group. Okay, so first of all, you just create two EC. I'm just creating two security group. Just go to the security group and create security group. Once, just put the name web server SG. Remember this name, and this is the basically demo. And right now we are using default VPC. Okay, we have only one VPC, default VPC, just using this one. And create inbound. Minimum two rule, just create SSH for Linux connectivity, for Linux, and HTTP for web. Okay, and then create security group. Okay, now one security group is created. Now just create another security group. Just go to the security group again and launch security group. And this time, this security group is for EFS, EFS security group. This is specific for EFS.
Mhm.
And demo. And right now we are using only the default VPC. Okay, and now just go to, and here you need to create inbound, just add rule. Okay, right now you NFS, just create the rule NFS. Okay, NFS already in the protocol list. Just select NFS, and this port protocol number is 2049.
What does that stand for? Is that network file system?
Network file, yes, network file system. So just now just go to the custom and you need to select security group. Which security group? This security group. We provide only the access web servers.
Okay.
Okay, just select the web server. Okay, right now do not allow all anywhere. Just for this one. This is not web server security. This is the database.
Yeah, that's nice.
So security is very important. So just source address is only the web server. This connectivity will provide only the security. Security is a very is the customer requirement is very secure. Just create the scenario secure based. Security is very important. Okay, now scroll down and create security. Just create security group. Now we have two security group. So just go to create two EC2 instance with different availability zone. So just go to the create availability. So right now we are just going to web 01, web 01 in where 1A. 1A, just identify the availability zone. Just scroll down and Linux, click on Linux, free style, and right now we are just using same already created HiSec key .pm, and here also you just go to the edit and just go in the availability zone. Right now we are just selecting this one 1A. Okay, but VPC default public auto assign enable, and scroll down, and this time you just select existing security group, and which security group we will use here, web server. Okay, both security group EC2 instance we will create inside the web server security group. Okay, and scroll down and launch starts. Our one VPC is now created, and now just go for another VPC. And this VPC EC2 instance web 02, and this is 1B. This availability zone will be 1B. Select Amazon Linux again, scroll down and select HiSec key already created. Just scroll down, edit default VPC and go to the availability zone 1B. Just select 1B. This is the 1B. Just select this one. And then again, existing security group and select web server security group. Okay, both EC2 instance belong to web server security and launch instance. And today we are not using the putty and putty chain, so we just use, and also we will not use the web console, but we will use command prompt, CMD. Okay, so today we just use this command prompt. Where is the our key? You know, where is our key? Key always in the download directory. So you need to go cd downloads. Enter. Okay, we are here. But if you just go with the Linux, so just select 1A and then click on the connect, then you can see there are multiple options available here. There is a EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, and EC2 serial console. So today we just use this method, SSH client. Okay, just select SSH client, scroll down, and example under the example, there is a link SSHI. This is your key already in the download directory, and this is the username, and this is the basically public IP. This is the domain name. So basically this is the public IP. If you just paste here the public IP, you can easily connect. Just copy and then go to the command prompt and paste here, just and enter. Just wait. The connection timeout. Why timeout again? Try another EC2 instance. Copy this one and just add cd downloads and paste here. Enter. Web console is not connecting, so okay, just go with the try with the web console. Connect here. This is 1B. Okay, the fail connecting your instance. EC2 instance is unable to connect your instance. Ensure your network setting or configured. EC2 instance connect persist at the. Okay, just check the again. This one is already, both are ready. Just go to the security group and confirm SSH are allowed or not. Inbound rule. Okay, this was the mistake. Okay, just go again. Yeah, so we did not select SSH. This was the mistake. Okay, now it's updated. And
Can you use command prompt?
sorry.
Can you use command prompt?
Yes. Now just use you again. We are using the same command prompt because we did mistake. That's why it's
Yeah.
getting issue. But again, just right prompt. Just first just go to the so first we need to connect this one 1A. Okay, so just copy, go to the client, this one, and then go to the example, and this is the first one. So just copy and paste here. Yes, this just type complete yes, not only Y. Remember this thing. Okay, now we are just connected with the EC2 instance. Just sudo -i, and now connect with another console. So just go to the EC2 instance. This time just select 1B, connect, and just copy this one and just paste here and enter. Again type yes, and you are connected. Sudo -i. Okay, so if you want to increase the font size, then control +sign. Okay, I think it's also just
It's easier than Bootition, you know.
sorry.
It's easier than Bootition and doing all that. You know.
Yeah, it's very easy to now both EC2 instances. Okay, now you need to now you need to create EFS. Okay, now you need to create EFS. Your both EC2 instances are ready. This is the 1A and this is the 1B. Okay, and also if you want to change the name, then rename tab. This is the 1B. If you just go with the web 1A, and this one is web dash 1B, just for identification. Okay, both are the now. So now you need, first of all, you need to install EFS. Okay, just search here EFS. We need to configure EFS and mount with the both EC2 instances. Okay, just click file system and put the name. This is the EFS 01. Just EFS, and we are creating here in the VPC default VPC, and click on, but do not click on create. So just click on the customized. Always go with the customized. Just click on customize, and then there are two options, regional and one zone. Just go with regional. Okay, and also just go with right now we do not encryption now. Okay, without encryption, just go with without encryption, and also do not go with the automatic backup. Right now just go with default, because if you go with these things, then amount will detect. So just go with default one, and also just next, just click on next, and here all the availability zone available here. But our EC2 instances, where is our EC2 instances? 1A and 1B. Okay, just remove all other. Okay, only two. Okay, and also here just security group is default one. Just remove the default one. And which security group we want to use? Think about it. Which one? EFS. We need here EFS on both sides. Okay, and then next, and then next again, and then create EFS. Okay, now EFS is creating. Now check, it's creating. Okay, so you need a utility you need a utility of the Amazon. So just go to the, I already copy this is the utility. Just install on both EC2 instances. I will provide you this one. So this is the link where you just go to the and install on both EC2 instances. First go with the just install this utility, and also here just install the EFS. Yes, install it. Operation report. Why? Yes. Okay, now just check successfully install on both sides. Okay, now just go to the now click on just check the refresh button and check the, yeah, now it's available. So just go inside the EFS and then click on attach. Now we are going to mount this EFS with the our EC2 instances. Just copy this one. This is the mount link. Just copy this one and go to the desktop. Okay, just copy and change this address. Okay, we are going to remove the EFS by default. This but we just mount with the directory HTML. Okay, so this is the directory of HTML. Okay, mount with HTML var www HTML, because we want to run our website through the HTML, but inside this EFS. So just copy this one and go to the both EC2 instances and mount. Yeah, mount does not exist. Why? Okay, okay. Why this message? Why this error? Understand? Because HTML www and HTML directory is not exist here. So you need to install yum install httpd and also install both sides. Yum install httpd -y. Okay, now systemctl start httpd. Yes, started. And also here systemctl start httpd. And one more thing, you just install the git also, because we will git clone from GitHub. Yum install git on both sides. Yum install git -y. Okay, now our web server is okay. Now again go to the and copy this one and just mount EFS. Just mount the EFS with directory. Which directory? Yes, connected. And just click here and yes, connected. Okay, now now use the git clone. Just git, yes, git clone. Go to the GitHub. Just clone any code. Copy and then go to the here, but give the path /var /ww /html and then enter. Okay, code is inside the. So just go to cd var cd www cd html and enter. Okay, now you can check. Yes, code is here. Now this is copied in the one EC2 instance. Just check. Just go to the console, where just go to the EC2 dashboard and copy the public IP. Okay, just go to the EC2 instance. Okay, first you just check the 1A. Just copy and paste the public IP. This is the public IP. Just check the website. This website IP address is 83. Last IP is I83. Okay, and again go to the second EC2 instance and check. And this IP address is different. Just copy and paste here. Now check which website is running. This IP address is 44.220.170.85, and this is the another IP address. But website is working on both sides. Same website is working. Okay, and if you just go and just go to the any one web, just go to the console and just stop any one website. Just stop. Which one? A. Okay, just stop this one. Just stop this website. Okay, and now you can check website is working on not. This is the definitely 1A not work on this IP address, but it will work on this side, other side. Yes, it's working. So when you configure the DNS name, then you can use both IP addresses. And also, if you just go again and connect, just go to the and start. And if you change anything in the code, if you need to change anything in the code, then reflect on both sides. Okay, because website is working from EBS, not working from any EC2 instance. I hope you understand this one.
Yeah.
Yes. So now I'm just going to stop my sharing, and also just I'm going to